When it comes to robot connection solutions, why is CNLINKO's solution more reliable? First of all, its reliability comes from a comprehensive connection solution. Robot systems typically require three main types of connections: power, signal, and data. CNLINKO offers a one-stop connection solution that covers all scenarios in robot applications, meeting the needs for power supply, signal transmission, and data aggregation. Secondly, its reliability comes from proprietary patented technology developed in-house. CNLINKO connectors use a self-developed snap-locking structure patent, enabling quick connection and secure fastening with one-touch plug-and-play. This effectively reduces the risk of loosening caused by vibration and pulling during movement, ensuring more stable and reliable long-term operation of robots. Finally, its reliability is ensured by industrial-grade protection. The CNLINKO connection solution has passed IP68 and IPX9K protection tests, offering excellent waterproof and dustproof capabilities, resistance to high and low temperatures, and high corrosion resistance. It adapts to various industrial environments, providing more reliable connection assurance for robotic equipment.